Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide activity bubbles on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Ever since Instagram added activity bubbles to its interface, users have been complaining about the icons covering up vital information in reels and posts, while these bubbles can be dragged around the screen. They do throw a wrench in the seamlessly scrolling experience. The good news is that Instagram has finally added the option to disable them for good. So how to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. As you can see in here, when you open your reels, you'll find like the bubbles activity. Now, to hide it, to disable it from your Instagram, you can open your profile. Now you can go to settings, you can tap on the up right corner, the trail lines over here. You can just scroll down. From here, you can go to content preferences and you'll find there is an option, hide all activity bubbles in feed and reels. So you can just tap on the toggle in here. Now you can just restart the app to see change. After you restart your apps, so you won't see like repost or comment activity bubbles in feeds and reels. Now you can restart Instagram. You can reopen. Now when you check on your reels, you won't find the bubbles even on your friend's activity in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide activity bubbles on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!